Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore the CS-Cart Dolibarr Connector, effortlessly syncing products, orders, and customers between CS-Cart and Dolibarr ERP and CRM. No more manual updates, just smart, real-time automation.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. From the Dolibarr page, we can download Dolibarr. Once the installation is completed, we move to the parent directory of Dolibarr, then into the Dolibarr folder, and then into htdocs. From here, we can select the language. By default, the language is auto-detected. Next, we check that everything is fine and begin the setup. We have to fill in the details such as web server details and database details. Then we create the database and provide login and password details. Once completed, Dolibarr will set up the database creation, server connection, and database connection. After that, we fill in the login credentials. At this point, our Dolibarr account is successfully created. Now, going to the Setup area, we can log in to Dolibarr. After logging in, we need to enable some settings. Go to Modules and Applications. Enable Customer Relationship Management to activate third parties to manage customer data. Enable Sales Orders to manage orders. Enable Shipments for managing deliveries. In Financial Modules, enable Invoices to create, manage, and track invoices from CS-Cart to Dolibarr. Enable Taxes and Special Expenses. Next, go to Product Management. Enable Products for managing product details. Enable Stock to calculate how much inventory is left. Under Stock Settings, enable Decrease Real Stock on validation of sales order so that whenever a customer places an order, the quantity decreases automatically. Then go to Multi-Module Tools. Enable Tags and Categories for managing categories. Enable Multi-Currency. Enable Data Import and Export for importing and exporting products, customers, and orders. Enable API Web Services for integration with external systems. After enabling API Web Services, we need to generate an API key. Go to the API settings to generate the key. Once generated, we can copy it from our profile card. This API key is then configured in our add-on settings. In the add-on settings, we enter the API key and apply the URL of our Dolibarr connector. For the host URL, we use the Dolibarr Connector link. Then we configure default settings, such as selecting the default category and vendor, and save the configuration. Next, we move to Website Dolibarr Mapping. Here, we can map categories, payment methods, shipping methods, and warehouses. For categories, from CS-Cart, we can map categories with Dolibarr. If Dolibarr has no categories, we create one. For example, we create a category called Electronics and assign it a color and position. For payments, we can select a payment method in CS-Cart, for example credit card, and map it with the same payment method in Dolibarr. We also select the currency code. For example, if we select USD, it maps with CS-Cart's currency. For shipping, we can map CS-Cart's custom shipping method to Dolibarr's method, such as in-store collection. For warehouses, suppose in CS-Cart we select Noida and in Dolibarr we select Gurgaon. After saving, the mapping is complete. Now, categories, payments, shipments, and warehouses are mapped. Moving to products, suppose we create a new product called Nokia 5G. We select the mapped category, set the price, upload an image, and create the product. This product is then exported successfully to Dolibarr. In Dolibarr, we can also create products, for example, creating Nokia 4G. Assign a label, description, and warehouse. Provide a public URL if required. Define stock limits and product dimensions, weight, length, height, width, area, volume, etc. Select the category and price, then save the product. For proper product mapping, a warehouse must always be assigned. Without a mapped warehouse, products will not sync between CS-Cart and Dolibarr. Once the product is created in Dolibarr, we can import it into CS-Cart. In CS-Cart, we check the product sync status. Green means synced with Dolibarr. Red means not synced. This confirms that the product mapping and import are successful. If we update a product in CS-Cart, it also updates in Dolibarr. Similarly, updating a product in Dolibarr reflects in CS-Cart but requires running a cron job. For example, updating the price in CS-Cart to 900 updates in Dolibarr. Updating the product name in Dolibarr to Nokia 6G, after running a cron job, it updates in CS-Cart. When a customer visits the CS-Cart store and places an order for a mapped product, for example Nokia 6G, they proceed to check out. First-time customers must enter details such as address, zip code, phone number, email, select a payment method, for example phone ordering, accept terms and conditions, and place the order. In Dolibarr, under the Commerce section, we can view the placed order. For example, a customer named James placed an order. Since James is a new customer, his details are also synced into Dolibarr under third parties. Similarly, if a customer creates an account or places an order directly in Dolibarr, it will sync back with CS-Cart.
I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.